Every day, millions of people hit that little button, order now. But have you ever wondered what happens next? Your package doesn't just teleport to your doorstep, it goes on a fascinating journey through giant warehouses, sorting machines, trucks, planes, and finally, right to your door. So today, let's follow the adventure of a single package. Our journey begins inside a massive warehouse, sometimes larger than a football field. When your order comes in, a robot or a worker races down long aisles to find your item. It's scanned, carefully packed into a box, and sealed with tape. But the most important step? The barcode label. That code is like the package's passport. It tells every machine along the way exactly where this little box is headed. From there, conveyor belts whisk the package into a sorting center. Here, powerful scanners read the barcode in a fraction of a second. Machines and robotic arms shuffle thousands of packages every hour, making sure each one goes to the right truck. Our package rolls onto a truck and begins its very first ride, out of the warehouse and toward a regional hub. Think of this hub like a giant train station, where every package gets rerouted to the right destination. At the hub, our package might get loaded onto a bigger truck, or if it has a longer trip ahead, into a cargo plane. Yes, packages fly too. Inside the plane, it travels with thousands of other boxes, soaring hundreds of miles overnight. When the plane lands, everything is unloaded, scanned again, and sent to the nearest delivery center. Each step makes sure the package is exactly where it needs to be, no matter how far it has to travel. Now comes the final stretch. At the local center, our package is sorted one last time and loaded onto a delivery van. This is when your tracking app lights up with updates. Satellites and scanners constantly ping the package's location, so you can see it moving closer, stop by stop, toward your street. It's almost like the package is sending you little messages. Hang on, I'm almost there. And finally, after traveling by conveyor belts, trucks, planes, and vans, the box reaches its final destination. You're home. The delivery driver rings the bell, leaves the package at your door, and just like that, the journey is complete. So the next time you get a delivery, remember, your package has been on an incredible adventure. From click to doorstep. A journey powered by technology, logistics, and a little bit of everyday magic.